Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's been a few weeks since the last episode. Had a couple other projects we had to sort out, so now we're back and ready to get stuck into the shorty build. So in the last episode we did all the rust repairs in the engine bay. Off camera I've got everything done in epoxy primer where the repair sections are, and in this episode we're going to get this thing sanded up, primed and painted, and it's going to be a colour that you haven't seen on GQ before, so stay tuned. So I've got everything laid out on the table that we're going to need today. So we've got some of our different grades of sandpaper here. Got all our masking kit here, so this is just some of that masking paper. Got the tape for that. Then we've got our 2-pack primer. So we've got the primer and then we've got the hardener. Same with our clear coat. So that's a 2-pack clear coat as well. Then we've got our body filler. So I've just gone with this brand here, which is supposed to work over the epoxy primer. Then moving on, we've got our colour, which I'm not revealing just yet. Got all the mixing cups we need for our ratios and our cards for the body filler. So I'm not going to have a lot of working time with the body filler and the paint. So to make it a bit easier for filming, I have purchased a GoPro and I've got a head mount so I can wear it on my head. So it'll be a bit of a first person view, so we'll see how that goes, and at least it means I can have my hands free and get on with the work and not have to move the tripod every 10 minutes. So we'll see how that goes. Alright, so I've sanded down the engine bay and I've wire wheeled all the hard to get to places. So next step, I'm going to mix up some body filler and fill a couple of little spots that we patched. And then there's a few little rust spots that I want to hit with rust converter. And then we can get it into primer. at this point I was having an issue with the gun. I think the nozzle might have been a bit blocked and it wasn't coming out very well, but we managed to repair that in the second coat. Alright, so the engine bay is all in primer now. So we went with a 2-pack high build primer on that one. So we can give it a good sandback with 400 grit sandpaper next. And then we need to get onto seam sealing. So I've got this Sikaflex 227 in white. So this one will be nice and easy to paint over. So we've got to go over the sections that I've removed for the rust repairs. And then there's a few other little sections that have just chipped and worn away due to age. So get all those done, then we can get into our base coat. And then final step is our 2-pack clear. So here I'm running some seam sealer over the sections we repaired earlier. So seam seal is all done. I tried to match the factory job as much as I could, but it's not easy stuff to work with. So it's all sealed up, so that's all that matters. And then we're going to paint over it. So I'll give it 24 hours to dry, and then we'll get stuck into painting it finally. So now what you've all been waiting for, let's reveal the colour. So paintwork's all done on this now. I'm super happy with how that turned out. So this colour is called Mazda Winning Blue. This is the colour we're going to be going with for half of the car. So we're doing the classic Series 1 two-tone. So this will be the top half in Mazda Winning Blue, and then we're going to do another colour on the bottom, but I'll let you guess that one in the comments. So this whole engine bay job was a lot bigger than what I thought it would be, but I'm happy we've finally got it all painted and sorted, so can finally close the chapter on this part of the car and then move on to the next part. So hopefully it should start going a bit quicker now. So in the next episode, we're going to lift the body off the chassis, give the chassis a good clean and paint, and then we can get all the running gear in. So we'll do the motor, the gearbox, the diffs, drop the body back onto the chassis, and then we can run all the wiring and hopefully get it started and running and driving. Anyway, thanks for watching the episode, and we'll see you on the next one.